Hey yo, these are gonna sit, but it's a nostalgia thing for me. What's good, budget fans? It's your boy Sneaker on the budget, one of the hardest working sneakers on YouTube. Give me a like, share, subscribe. It definitely helps the channel out because YouTube be holding us down out here, budget fan.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, so boom. So this shoe that we're talking about is gonna sit, and I think right now it's going for below retail on the resale market, and the shoe hasn't even released yet. I'm talking about the Legend Blue or Columbia Air Jordan 11s. Now, this shoe for me is strictly for nostalgia purposes. Is the reason why I need this shoe. A big basketball fan growing up, so I seen Jordan, image of Jordan. I seen Jordan wearing these when I was younger, playing an All-Star game. So it's a shoe that is nostalgia to me. Also, I caught this shoe when they re-released in the later 2000s. Later 2000s. I make myself sound so old. Oh my god.
Unacceptable!
When they released then, and so I copped the pair and I had to sell it because me and my wife were trying to pay back student loans really fast. So a lot of the shoes I had back then, I sold a bunch just so I can pay some of that down. So it's really dope to actually get this pair back in my collection. So let's talk about it. So right now you get the OG 11 box, which is really cool to get. I do appreciate that. I do miss opening these. I got my size 11 and a half. I do miss opening these. The pair I had back in the day had that little like 11 like case on the side. I don't know if y'all remember that. They had like the red ones and like the blue ones, especially for this one. And it like had the 11 logo on, and it was dope. So I do miss it having these, but this is actually my first time looking at this pair since I got it. I hit on the shot drop, just haven't had a chance to make the video. Talk about the shoe. The shoe is really dope. As you see, it has that high patent cut. A lot of people like, a lot of people don't like. Look at that nice blue outsole. That's just beautiful. Now this bad boy will yellow really quick. So just be warned. This shoe is going to yellow really quick. But aside from that, it's really dope. The high patent on it is definitely different from the last pair I had. Definitely clean. You have the blue Jumpman Jordan that's right there in the middle. You know, a lot of people don't know it says Jumpman Jordan on this middle piece. Some people thought it was gibberish before, which is crazy. You got that carbon fiber right there, which you can hear it. ASMR. That fiber right there, and then you just have that netting right here on the tongue. Just a classic 11. On the inside, you do have that Nike Air on the inside, similar to the OG. And this is like really dope. Just really clean cut, really good pair. I don't really see any issues with my pair. I think a few people have some issues with their pairs, but I didn't really see any issues with my pair. Actually, I won these and they came really late, which is weird for Jordan standpoint for these to come that late. But you know, it is. I copped the pair. I wasn't really tripping. Oh, I think I finally found a defect. Like a little cut in that patent right there. But I'm not really tripping off that. You know me. If you follow this channel, I really don't care about majority of stuff like that. If it's a major defect, I definitely keep those. See that Jordan sign on the corner right here. These are actually really sick. Tell me what you guys think about this shoe. I don't really think I need to go in a full review of the shoe. I don't have my OG pair from back in the day, and I don't want to bore y'all to death. There's plenty of YouTube pages that's going to bore y'all to death. I just want to show this up because this is a really nice nostalgia pair for me. I really can't wait to put this. I really was excited to put this back in the collection, and I just want to put that out there for y'all. Put some content out there. Again, if you want to see this in outfits, check me out. Sneakerhead on the Budget on Instagram. Check me out on X. I'm barely on there nowadays because it's weird, but on X and Threads and all that good stuff. Again, it's your boy Sneaker on the Budget. I'll check y'all next time. Deuces.